TV.
Meli manyien mowuok e piny Korea ne ogowo e wath ma Mombasa e thuolo mokwongo mar chako chenro mag kelo mwandu e pacho ka kokalo e wadno ma Mombasa. Melino mar kambi Korea Marine Transport Company mani kod bor mar mita 222 ne ogowo gi container 1,000 mani kod bor mag fut 20. Jaratije wath ma Mombasa Captain William Ruto ne okoni biro mar melino en ranyisi ni wath ma Mombasa medo lombo weg kambi mopogore mag meli makelo ohala e pacho ka. Weg melino ne okoni gimor gi chenro mitayo wath ma Mombasa kendo nyiso geno ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla gi wath ma Mombasa e loko ohala.
We're promising to give them the best service, because for any shipping line to make a decision to call into a port, they must have also done some of the due diligence. And part of the due diligence is how long will the ship be waiting? Like today, this ship just arrived today and we give a priority and we just docked on arrival. So this is also reducing cost to the shipping line and also reducing cost to the receivers of the cargo, that you're receiving your cargo on a timely basis.
It's come from China, and it will be, the next port of call will be Dar es Salaam after this. And it's a new service that has been started by KMTC. It's because of the confidence of the line in the region, and they see potential in Africa. That is why they have started this new service. So we expect good things to come for Africa.
Tukiendelea kufanya kazi vizuri kama vile tunavyofanya, basi meli zingine pia zitaweza kuja hapa na kuongeza kuleta mali hapa, na pia ni kuonyesha kwamba pia kibiashara na kiuchumi Kenya inasonga mbele.